My name is Kyle Bodway, and I'm president here at Industrial Metal Fab. Served as president for the last 3 years and been in the business about 13 years. IMF produces a wide variety of parts. We process everything from 20 gauge steel up to 7-inch thick steel here. We do not have a product, and we are not running the same part day in and day out. We are a job shop that produces thousands of different part numbers of various shapes, sizes, thicknesses, and material specs. We produce everything from simple burnouts to complex machine weldments used all over the world. Industrial Metal Fab has never been afraid of low quantity orders. That is what our business consists of. Partnering up with Steel Warehouse has allowed us to greatly reduce our lead time. Typically, when purchasing from discrete plate mills, our lead time is 8 to 12 weeks out. I've been able to shorten my lead time and planning with Steel Warehouse to about 4 weeks out. When you're operating close to full capacity, purchasing pickled and oiled material has allowed us to greatly reduce our processing time. Parts that would typically take 3 to 4 weeks to process, we're able to process through our shop now in 1 week. This has allowed us to reduce our lead times to our customers and pick up capacity with new work. After touring the Steel Warehouse facility, I got to witness 1-inch plate stacked very high, perfectly flat. That convinced me we can move forward with Steel Warehouse with confidence on material quality and flatness. Steel Warehouse was willing to develop a program where we could purchase a whole coil, Steel Warehouse could process the coil, then IMF could take sheets as we needed over the course of time to consume that coil. This gave us an advantage over traditional plate mills, which would require you to take delivery of an entire truckload all at once, whether you needed that material or not. We're able to purchase sheet from Steel Warehouse at various lengths to fit different machines we would run this on. Our scrap at profiling has decreased by using coil products from Steel Warehouse, where we're able to purchase a coil and have that coil processed to multiple lengths. Steel Warehouse is able to provide just-in-time delivery of material to IMF, so we don't take material until we need it, and we no longer have to store this material outside. As a business owner, it's been very valuable because they have greatly reduced our time from bringing in raw material to invoicing our customer. We're able to turn material quicker than ever. The biggest advantage in forming is the consistency in the material. Often when forming discrete plate, you have to stop the press and make minor adjustments for the plate variations as you're forming. With pickled and oiled, we're able to program our CNC press and run the entire order out without having to stop and make adjustments. We've also seen advantages on our laser cutting machine running the pickled and oiled material. We're able to run our lasers 25 to 50% quicker. This has greatly increased our throughput. We often had to shot blast everything before taking parts to assemble and weld. Now by using pickled and oiled material, we can bypass the shot blasting and take parts directly to assemble and weld, and guys can begin laying welds on the material with no prep needed. We're able to clear our tables quicker and remove parts from the skeleton easier, but we're seeing the advantages of plasmas in the post-cleaning processes we can bypass. The biggest advantage has been the reduction in our lead time to our customers. We're now able to cut out sometimes 1, if not 2 processes, which allows us to deliver parts quicker. We often don't have big tonnage and purchase the same material across the board. Steel Warehouse still treats us the same as a larger customer, with an inside and outside sales rep there to service our needs. Oftentimes, I will contact Steel Warehouse when I'm in a jam and need a product, but not an entire truckload, and they're able to secure material for me on short to little notice. These individuals allow us to take on extremely complex parts many of our competitors can't.